Tama natin ang talaga namang inaabangan ng mga stars ng Bad Genius, the series. Guys, grabe, July 17, it's just around the corner. Thoughts after the trailer drop? Kasi Tash.
Syempre naman nakalip po kami because it was a whirlwind thing to see all the hard work that we've been putting day in, day out. To see it come together and come to life is truly like, wow.
Yeah, I'm just so excited for everyone. I know everyone put their all into it. I know it's gonna be so good, and I'm just so excited.
Sobra, actually, dun nga ako, I was telling Tash, parang kinabahan ako, sobrang ganda dun trailer pa lang. Yung sa eraser pa lang, tapos yung sa sapatos, ang galing ni Direk. But shooting this, kayo rin ba, parang did you have that in your head na the trailer would play out this way, the series, ganito yung magiging latag ni Direk?
Actually, when you're doing it, parang wala kang idea eh. Parang you just do your work pero hindi mo alam kung ano yung outcome eh. So happy rin talaga kami and very excited na ganun yung outcome, na talagang lumabas siya the way we want it to be.
Oo. Not to get, I know Bad Genius has so many sub-layers to it. Cheating is just, at the surface of everything. But what does this series really entail para sa mga fans natin, sa audience natin, especially the Filipino fans?
I think this series entails more of a Pinoy culture. It focuses on family. It goes through the struggles that students would go through. Bawat isa. Each of our characters play a different role. And when you see it all come together in the show, it's really something.
Oo. And ikaw naman, Gab, ayan, ano naging experience mo sa pag-shoot dito? Especially going back to your student hat.
Very, very grateful na I get to do a different genre, and this is very edgy thriller, and it's great to work with these people, and of course very talented Derek, and I'm really excited. The trailer looks good, so I can't wait.
Naalala nyo ba yung student days nyo rito?
Oh yeah, yung exam taking. Of course, yung kaba when you go to class. Pero in this case, we'll be going to set. Syempre naman may kaba because we've all done our homework, we've all done our assignments, and we're just ready to perform for you guys.
What type of students were you?
Nerdy. Nerdy na student.
Medyo aral talaga.
Yeah, aral. Basta I do my homework, I do my assignments, and then of course after school is sports.
Ako sakto lang. Parang ganun, parang balance lang na minsan kailangan mo magano pero minsan medyo napapa-enjoy ko with friends. Kaya pero balance lang. Kasi the time na varsity din, so hirap din talaga.
Oo nga, nag-varsity ka. Yes.
I guess I would say it was more artsy. It was a more prominent art community in my school. So
For me, nung elementary, pasaway ako, hindi ako nag-aaral. Pero nung nag-middle school, high school ako, I was good. I was studious. I got a scholarship from college.
Oh! Ay, what a flex, ha? What a flex! Wait, ito pa pala, kamusta yung naging relationship ninyo when you started? Parang naging sobrang close na rin talaga kayo.
Actually, we all clicked from the first day. And even after yung taping, kahit sobrang pagod po kami. We would even go out, we would get food, bulalo, kanin na.
Bulalo talaga?
Bulalo.
Bakit bulalo?
Sinigang ng
Sarap, saan yun? Bakit ganon?
Tagaytay.
Sa Tagaytay. Kaya naman pala, o diba? So that was like what the behind the scenes were like.
Yes.
Ano pa yung mga momentos behind the scenes na pwede mo i-share?
there's a lot of different things. Like we would make TikToks. Everyone's super kulit, so a lot of kulit moments, and a lot of intimate moments as well. Just like because this is such a serious show and we have so many heavy scenes as well, so we've really had to come together and be there for each other.
Oo. And actually, tawag mo rito, nakita ko, Sarah pala is also part of this.
Yes.
Oh my gosh, ba't naging close na rin kayo?
Super. So, actually, luckily, because it was such a happy set, everyone felt super comfortable. Everyone jived together, and it felt like not just work, but it was also kind of like we were all bonding together as a family.
And speaking of family, sobrang support. Andres was like supporting you guys.
Super. Thank you, Andres. Love you so
Ano
much.
sabi niya bago ka tumungtong dito?
He's super excited, the same way that we all were just for his show.
Oh, yeah.
But yeah, and he was telling me that good luck, you're gonna kill it, and I wish you the best always. Because see Andres, he's seen everything that I kind of went through through taping. So he was able to see all of that, and now that this is all coming together, he's nothing but the happiest.
You sharpened your piano skills for this one.
Oh,
Right,
yes.
right.
At ito pa, may eksena kasama din si Haya sa
ano?
piano scene, pero tingnan natin.
Nagpiano ka rin?
To see, no, I had to sing.
Oh, I love it. But also, University series is on a roll. But it's good na iba-iba yung pinapagawa talaga sa inyo ng Viva. Right? I mean, Hyacinth is there. But, you know,
Yeah, I think it's gonna be 3 shows at the same time. So yung Avenues of the Diamond, yung Seduced by Drake Palma, and then Bad Genius. So
Oh my gosh, oo.
it's really a
taon ng Viva ha.
yeah. I mean, Boss Vic is a genius, a bad genius.
A good genius.
Hindi totoo. And you're also, di ba, doon sa
Yeah, sa University series. Yeah. Masaya kami kasi yung University series, we're going to book 5 anytime soon.
Wilbea na yun, tama?
Wilbea, and then yung sa amin naman ni Nicole next year, yung book 6. So yeah, very excited and happy kasi tuloy-tuloy lang yung
Wow.
success ng Viva One.
Alright. And Tash? Album?
Tingnan pa natin. We'll see. Pero first muna, please watch
Watch
Bad
Bad
Genius.
Genius,
the series
July.
on Viva One.
I love it. Thank you so much. Thank you.